So I decided to order pots online, which is well overdue. I ordered a 14-piece non-stick ceramic pot set that I will be using to, make my videos moving forward. Because as you know, I make food content. So this is the box. I paid 96 USD on Amazon for this package, and I paid 6,600 to collect the package. It weighs a total of 17.3 pounds. So the 96 US that I would have paid online, that's roughly 15,000 Jamaican dollars. Alright, so I'm going to unbox my pot. So as I said before, it's a 14-piece ceramic non-stick cookware or pot set. It's in the color white. One thing for sure, Amazon is going to add an additional box to the box that is already in a box. Alright, so let me just quickly open this package. As I open the box, the first thing it would present me is things that I need to know. So it gives you a booklet as it relates to how you take care of the pots, certain instructions and steps to follow as you utilize the pot set. Now, the next document is the instruction on how to assemble the pot, because the pot handles come separately. So it gives you a guide as to how you will insert the handle, and it comes with a little screwdriver as well. I'm not gonna lie, this pot set comes well protected. It has covering sheet on all the pot covers and pots that are in the package. The pot set also comes with 3 pot covers and get a 2.1 quart saucepan with a lid. You also get a 11-inch saute pot with a lid. You also get a 12-inch frying pot. That one doesn't come with pot cover, but however, the 11-inch saucepan lid can use for that frying pot as well, or the 5.6 quart casserole with a lid. So those are the pots you get, and you also get 2 utensils. So you get a silicone spoon and spatula that you can use in the kitchen, and you also get 2 pot holders or pot cover that you can use to help you to lift the pot if it's too hot. You can use that to lift. You also get 3 pans protectant that are protectors that you can use to help extend the shelf life of your pots and to have them in better care. So now in this package you have the screwdriver and handles. So they send the screwdriver along with the handles and the 2 pot separately, so you would have to use a screwdriver to screw in the items. So I'm just going to quickly pull them out of the packaging that they're in. As I said before, these come well secured, so you don't have a problem when you get it. It's not damaged or anything, so it comes in well secure, so you don't have to worry about getting your pot set scratch or damage, because the way they package this thing don't stand a chance of being damaged. And the quality as well, I need to speak about the quality. The quality is tea. So now I'm just going to insert the knobs on my pot cover. So on the knob it comes with a black little protective covering, so I'm just going to remove it, and then I'm just going to screw it in, and that's it. Just screw in the knobs on all 3 pot covers. Now I am going to attach the handles. As I said before, it comes with a screwdriver, so all I need to do is to get the pot, add the handle to it, and use a screwdriver to insert the screw and fasten it so it's secure. And I'm going to repeat the process of the inserting the next 2 handles. I'm going to quickly do that. So that's basically it and all. I assemble the pot set. It's quick and easy, nothing hard to do. You don't even have to look on the manual to insert the handles. Pretty easy to do. So this pot set, it is really sturdy. The quality is really nice. So Moving forward, you will definitely see me using this pot in my cooking videos coming up shortly. So if you have any comments or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. Yes, please do let me know in the comment if this pot set was worth the 15,000 JMD along with 6,600 shipping cost, which is equivalent to 21,000 and change. So let me know if it was worth it. Would you purchase a pot set? Because you know that pot sets are normally expensive, especially here in Jamaica. So you'd roughly get a 14-piece pot set for maybe 30,000 up. So let me know if it was a good buy in the comment below. And what are your withdrawal from buying items online? Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to the channel if you're new. And until next time, stay safe.